is. One of the things that we're going to be giving away, Rob, can you hold up that box?
Sorry.
Is the coveted kitchen item. So if you've been following Dee's newsletter or you've been following us, the item is a sous vide, right? So it's one of the hottest new things that everybody's doing at home. Restaurants have used them for years, but now you can do it at home. I have a recipe that I did on the blog, if you go there, for filet mignon. It was the tenderest, most juiciest filet I've ever done using the sous vide. Now, we also are going to be giving away t-shirts today. Not these, but we have these, the For Love of Food t-shirts that Dee and Susan and Heather are wearing. And we're going to be giving those away as well. How you're going to win those is, we got two ways. In a few minutes, my PowerPoint will start to scroll again. And there's some trivia questions up there, food trivia, right? So fun. There's 10 trivia questions. Every time you get one right, you come up and tell somebody that's over here, probably Rob, and let him know what the answer is. He'll look it up. If you got it, he'll give you a ticket. You put the ticket in. The more tickets you have, the better chance you have of winning swag. Speaking of swag, we have free swag. So we believe in grow your own. So we're going to have everybody grow your own. We gave you a ton of seeds over here. So feel free to take those, and recipe cards. So these are all free. Just come up and get them. We got a ton of different things that we've cooked, and so we have those set up for you. We have one other way that you can win t-shirts, and that is if you think you really know what your spices are, you can come up here and do a blind tasting or a blind smell of the spices to let us know what the spice is. And so Rob will be in charge of that, and he'll get a ticket for every one that you get right. So there's lots of ways to play, lots of ways to win tickets. Lastly, what are these shirts? We got all these crazy shirts. We're going to let you win those today too. And what we're doing is we're going to be doing some branding, and we want you to help us out. This is our launch. So we're trying to come up with some fun t-shirts that people might want to wear, that people might want to buy later on our website. So you're going to get a free ticket. Everybody should have a ticket in their hand. If you don't have a free ticket, see Rob, he'll give you one. We're just going to put a ticket in front of the t-shirt you like the best. And then we'll raffle them off in a couple of hours, and we'll let it go that way. So that's all that I have to say. Let's talk about food, because that's why you're really here, right? So thank you all for coming out. Let's talk food.